It doesn't eat, it doesn't sleep, it never complains. And honestly, it's already better at your job. For decades we've been told the robots were coming, a distant sci-fi threat. But what if I told you, they're already here? And yeah, they're not just coming for your job, they're already doing it. We live in an age where the lines between human and machine are blurring at an unprecedented pace. From the hum of data centers to the algorithms shaping our lives, artificial intelligence is now woven into the fabric of our economy. This isn't just about automation, it's about intelligence, about learning. A workforce that operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without a single break or complaint. For centuries, human ingenuity drove progress. We invented tools, machines, and computers. Each leap forward promised to free us from drudgery, to elevate our potential. But this time, it feels different. This isn't just a tool. It's a collaborator that's rapidly becoming a competitor. In 2025, AI could impact nearly 40% of jobs worldwide. Goldman Sachs predicts up to 300 million jobs could be automated. This isn't a small shift, it's a seismic event. And it's happening now, in cubicles, boardrooms, and on your customer service calls. You're not just competing with Bob from accounting anymore. You're competing with code. This isn't the distant future, it's today. Take customer service. Remember waiting on hold forever, only to reach a human who sounded as tired as you felt? Companies like HotelPlanner.com now use AI voice assistants to handle thousands of inquiries every month, instantly, 24/7. No bad moods, no lunch breaks, just pure, unfiltered efficiency. Your call is important to them, and now, an algorithm is proving it. But what about creative fields, the ones we thought were safe? Marketing copywriters, once the wordsmiths of industry, now face a new reality. AI can generate ad copy, blog posts, and social media updates in seconds, analyzing data to pinpoint what resonates. It's not just writing, it's writing that sells, and it doesn't need a latte break to find its muse. Even video editing is being revolutionized. Tedious tasks like footage selection, audio syncing, and adding effects are now automated by AI tools. What took humans hours now takes minutes. Sleepless nights saved, creative blocks bypassed, but at what cost to the human touch? In finance, the numbers are even starker. Wall Street expects to slash hundreds of thousands of jobs. AI can analyze trends, manage portfolios, and detect fraud with unmatched precision. Data entry and accounting are ground zero in AI's quiet revolution. Over 7.5 million data entry jobs may disappear by 2027. It's like a financial wizard, only it wears a server rack. Imagine this. Your AI coworker never steals your stapler. It never complains about the AC. It never leaves snarky notes in the break room. It just works. Flawlessly. Tirelessly. While you're stuck in another meeting about font sizes, AI is out there, quietly, efficiently getting things done, and it's making us all look a bit human, maybe even replaceable. This isn't just about numbers or productivity, it's about us, our purpose. When machines do what we thought only humans could, what's left for us? The fear is real, the confusion is growing. Are our skills, honed over years, suddenly irrelevant? If AI works non-stop, never complains, never sleeps, why are we still needed? It's a chilling thought, what we built to help us might replace us. The comfort of a steady paycheck, the pride in a job well done, the simple human connection of a shared workplace. Are these becoming relics of a past era? Are we just caretakers of machines now? Or simply consumers of our own replacement? But the story isn't over. The question isn't if AI will change our jobs, but how we'll adapt. Can humans still compete, or should we collaborate? The smartest companies aren't just replacing, they're repurposing. Using AI to automate the repetitive, the mind-numbing, and freeing humans to do what machines just can't. Creativity, empathy, critical thinking, problem-solving that needs intuition, not just data, building relationships, inspiring teams. These are the things that, honestly, still make us irreplaceable. AI can write a marketing email. But can it understand a customer's heartbreak? It can edit a video, but can it craft a story that brings someone to tears? This is our moment to move beyond competing with code and start commanding it. To use AI as a co-pilot, not a rival. A tool that amplifies our human gifts. To evolve, to upskill, to redefine what work means, and to be measured by the depth of our humanity. So, why are you still employed? Maybe the better question is, what will you do with the time AI gives you back? Will you cling to the past, or will you help build the future? Will you compete with tireless machines, or rise above them? The AI works 24/7, it never sleeps, and it's waiting, not to replace you but to see what you become. What will you create when the mundane is automated? What will you solve when the tedious is trivial? What kind of human will you be, when the only thing left to do is truly live?